Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talk Smart English. I am Liba, and I am very happy that you are here today. In today's video, we are going to learn English through daily conversations. Many people know English words, many people know grammar rules, but when they speak with someone, they feel nervous. Do you know why? Because they do not practice real conversations. That is why today, I will help you learn simple daily English conversations that you can use in real life. These conversations are easy. These conversations are natural. And these conversations can help you speak English with more confidence. So relax, listen carefully, and practice with me. Let's begin. Conversation 1. Meeting someone. Imagine you meet someone for the first time. You can say, "Hello, how are you? My name is Liba. What is your name?" "Nice to meet you." Very simple. Let's say it slowly. "Hello, how are you? My name is Liba. What is your name?" "Nice to meet you." Now together. "Hello, how are you? My name is Liba. What is your name? Nice to meet you." These sentences are very common in daily life. You can use them at school, you can use them at work, you can use them anywhere. Conversation 2. Asking for help. Sometimes you need help. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me? I need some information. Could you please explain this? Thank you so much. Now repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? I need some information. Could you please explain this? Thank you so much." These sentences make your English sound polite. Polite English is very important because people like respectful speakers. Conversation 3. At a shop. When you go shopping, you need useful English. You can say, "How much is this? Do you have another color? Can I try this? It is too expensive. I will take it." Again, slowly. "How much is this? Do you have another color? Can I try this? It is too expensive. I will take it." Shopping English is very useful in daily life. Even simple sentences can make you sound confident. Conversation 4. Phone conversation. Sometimes speaking on the phone feels difficult, but these simple lines can help. "Hello. Who is speaking? Please wait a moment. I will call you later. Thank you for calling. Now repeat. Hello. Who is speaking? Please wait a moment. I will call you later. Thank you for calling." Phone English becomes easier with practice. Conversation we bive. Talking to a friend. Friends usually speak naturally. You can say, "How was your day? What are you doing? I miss you. Let's meet tomorrow." That sounds great. Repeat with me. "How was your day? What are you doing? I miss you. Let's meet tomorrow." That sounds great. These are natural English expressions. Native speakers use them often. Important tip. Now, I want to share an important tip. Do not only read English, speak English aloud. Your mouth needs practice. Your ears need practice. Your brain needs practice. The more you speak, the better you become. Even 5 minutes every day can improve your English. That is how fluency starts. Slowly, step by step, day by day. Practice method. Here's a simple practice method. Listen first, repeat second, speak alone third, then use it in real life. For example, listen, "How are you?" Repeat, "How are you?" Speak, "How are you today?" This small habit can improve your speaking fast. Common mistake. Many learners make one mistake. They translate every sentence in their mind. Please stop doing that. Instead of translating, learn phrases. For example, do not learn only help. Learn, can you help me? Do not learn only understand. Learn, I understand now. Learning phrases makes your speaking faster. Confidence. Tip. Some learners feel shy. They think, my English is not perfect. But remember this, perfect English is not important. Clear English is important. Simple English is powerful. You do not need difficult words. You only need confidence. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and keep going. Mini practice. Now let's practice together. I say first, then you repeat. Ready? How are you today? I need your help. Can you repeat that? I understand now. That sounds good. Let's try again tomorrow. Excellent. Very good. This is how you improve. Final advice. My final advice is simple. Use English every day. Even small practice matters. One sentence every day can change your speaking. One conversation every day can build confidence, and one habit every day can change your future. Never wait for perfect English. Start with simple English, because simple English can become fluent English. Ending. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you learn English through daily conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and keep practicing with me. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.